Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Homescape. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Play Store. In the search bar, type in Homescape and perform your search. Now tap on Homescape. Now tap on Install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download this game. Once the game is installed, tap on Play button to launch or play the game. And this is how you can download Homescape. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.